5번. 대화를 듣고 두 사람의 관계를 가장 잘 나타낸 것을 고르시오.
Jane, it's time to finish.
Finally, it's been a long day.
How many hours did you work today?
8.
Okay, 8 hours. You'll get your voluntary work certificate in a minute. How was work?
Frankly, it was difficult working in a nursing home because I usually don't clean and do laundry at home.
Ah, that's why you look tired. Anyway, what was the best part of your day?
Helping the elderly exercise. We had a lot of fun.
Well, it sounds like you had a great experience.
I did, and I learned a lot.
Good. Here's your certificate. Submit it to your teacher.
Thanks.